Welcome to the Mechanics of Men. Today, we're going to be changing the oil in my 2018 Nissan GTR. Let's take a look. Tools needed are a 14mm socket, 10mm 1/4 inch, flat-headed screwdriver, and a torque wrench set to 25 foot-pounds. Alright, so taking a 10mm ratchet, there's going to be these bolt holes here. You're going to want to take out and pop this cover down, and you have to take these plugs out with a flat-headed screwdriver or a plug tool very carefully, and then pop the shielding down. That's the first step. Alright, so you want to take the 14mm on the drain bolt and loosen the plug. Make sure you have an oil drain plan and wait for the oil to drain. Go on, start by loosening the oil filter. Drain pan through, under it, and let it drain. And one of the things you want to do, take a little bit of oil, put it on the gasket. This helps from binding it up. So what you want to do, you're going to want to put the new filter on, filter hose, hand tight, and go a couple times with it. You don't want to make sure you don't over tighten it, but you want it on there good. Alright. You don't want to hand throw it in the drain plug. Get it hand tight. We have the torque wrench set to 25 foot-pounds. We also installed a new crush washer. And we're going to torque the drain plug to 25 foot-pounds using a torque wrench. That's it. Then you want to put the shield back on as it came off, putting the clips and the 10mm bolts back together. The Nissan GTR takes 5.3 quarts of OW40 Mobile 1. You're going to want to fill it, starting 5 quarts, checking the dipstick, to make sure it's under 10mm underneath the H on the dipstick as per the manual. You're going to want to, after firing up the engine with the 5 quarts, pull the dipstick, fill to the 10mm below H line as needed. Then you're good to go. So there you have it. 2018 Nissan GTR. The marvel of the car. Again, they say money can't buy happiness, but this here right behind me proves otherwise. What you just saw was a oil change and car wash done on it, and a couple 0 to 60 pulls. What a machine. That's it. Dave from Mechanics of Men. There's going to be more of this car to show in later videos. We're going to be doing a full review. So if you want to see that, hit the like button, hit subscribe, share with your friends.